Hello friends, so today we are gonna to see a, a programming language. So what is a programming language? So programming language is used to program apps, games. We already know that. But today we are gonna to see about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML full form is hypertext markup language. Okay, so it's used for creating websites. Okay, so hypertext markup language. Now there are two types, hypertext and markup language. So I want to show you my HTML file, one HTML file I have created here. Okay, so this is I have coded this. Okay, so now I want to show you what is hypertext and what is markup language. When you go to any search engine and search there anything, okay, you see some blue text. Yes, that text are only known as hypertext. Okay, and what is markup language? Okay, you can see uh, these like opening tag and means big than and smaller than sign. Yes, and between them some text is written, so that this kind of text is only known as the markup language. Okay, so you can say this is the language of HTML. Now I want to show you, tell you what is a web browser. Okay, so web browser is an application which is used to view web pages. Now what is web pages? Web pages are simply pages that consist of um, anything like audio, video, media, graphic, image, anything it can contain. And what is website? Website is simply a good group of web pages. Okay. Now I want to show. I want to tell you the features of HTML. So HTML is simple to use. Okay, and you can also use capital if you want to use HTML in capital and small both, so it doesn't matter, it can also be used suppose you have written some text in capital and some text in small, so will it not run? No friends, it will run. Okay friends, so the case doesn't matter. Okay friend, and it is very easy. Okay, as it uses text, so it makes the user interactive to the computer. Okay, so these are some features. There are more features, we'll discuss that in the comments, I'll write. Okay, now I want to see, there are many apps to create to work with HTML, but there is one app called VS Code, and this is the only VS Code where I am showing it. You can for see, if you want a pro like look, so you can use it. And Notepad is very simple. So I if you want a pro like use, so you can use this VS Code. Now I'll tell you how you can install that VS Code in your computer. So you need to go to your browser. Then here you need to write VS Code download. Okay. Now you will get this download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, Windows. Its full form is Visual Studio Code. V stand for Visual and S stands for Studio. So click here. Okay. After clicking here, you will get Windows. This Mac. Okay, Mac and Linux. Okay, so here you can install for Windows 8, 10, 11. Here for Dev and RPM, and here for Mac. So if your version is not available, so you can download from any other website. If your version is available, so you need to click on that respective button if you are Windows, if you are this Linux, or if you are Mac. So you can click them. Okay, and when your file will be downloaded, the first thing you will look is this get started. Okay, so then you will see start new file and open folder. So there are two ways to create a small new file. First way, you can simply click Ctrl plus N. Second way, you can click on this new file. Okay, then if you will click, you will go with the second way. So here will be select file type or enter file name. Okay, so I am gonna to select the file type, but here it is not there, so I'm gonna to just write a file type. So let's write beginning, because it's the beginning for you. For me it's not beginning, but for you it's okay. Now you'll see this. So here you need to have the here save as type. Here what you need to do, which see, we are using HTML language, yes. So we are working on HTML. So the extension you can give is HTML or HTM. Okay. So it will be fine. Okay. No, we don't want to create a file. We want to create a folder. So what you can do is simply click on Control N. Now let's see how you can convert it into HTML file. Just you need to click on Control S. Then this box will appear. You can give it any name. Okay, so I have given it beginning. Now save as type. There are many options. Since we are doing HTML, so we'll do with HTML. Okay. Now I'll tell you one boilerplate. What is boilerplate? See, if I write an exclamatory mark and enter, I will have this. Okay, friends. So you can also do it's a trick. Now we'll not discuss these meta tags. Okay. So what is doc type HTML? It is the tag which is used to specify the version of HTML. Okay. Then this is HTML language, means in which language your site is. Okay, which language the HTML is. You can change the HTML language. Like if you are creating your website in some other language other than English, so you can write that language. Okay. Then this is head. What is head? Head is the you can say heading of the website. Okay, it's the heading of the website, or you can say the first larger text that appears when you open a website or web page. Okay, then its title. Like suppose I've gone here. Okay, so see, this is the heading download Visual Studio Code. Okay, now this is the title, like download Visual Studio Code, and here we have got download Grammarly, and this, okay, YouTube. Okay, so these are the title. These are the titles, and this is the, yes, you are right, heading. Okay, now this is the body. Okay, so this is body. What is a body? In body, you can decorate that whatever things, how you will modify your object, which text you'll write, image, it's our body. Like our body is how is our body, so it's defined. So here you can define the body, means that, like this you can say these things, like these images, these buttons. Okay, these buttons. So this is the body, other than heading and title. Okay, now I want to tell you the syntax of HTML. So this is the HTML. Okay, HTML. So first you need to write doc type HTML. Then inside it you need to write HTML tag. Then see here two times HTML one tag is repeated. So you'll see it, say that it's incorrect. So see what we need to do. First we need to have a smaller than sign and a greater than sign, and between them we need to write some text, and that will be opening, and for closing we'll do the same. The difference will be just before the text we'll put a slash. Okay, forward slash. So the after inside the html tag is the tag inside that all are written. So html tag under it, inside it had tag, and body tag should be outside the head tag but inside the body tag. Okay, sorry, body tag should be outside the head tag but inside the HTML tag. Okay, and title tag should be under the head tag. Oh, okay, friends. Now, what is this? This is tag. What is language? Language. This, what is it written after tag with this extra things which is written after the main tag are called attributes. Okay, we'll see attributes uh, in the next video. And this en, this utf-8, okay, is equal to, this is the value. Okay, friends. Bye, friends. So in next video we'll see how to create a simple website. Bye.